While you can replace every bulb in the headlight assembly while it is in the vehicle, if you need to replace the assembly, you will need to remove the front bumper cover. Please see the link at the end of this video for front bumper cover removal and all the steps and procedures needed. As you can see in the picture, you can access all of the assembly ports while the units are still in the car, red arrow. That being said, it is a tighter fit on the left side headlight. If you are removing the assembly, begin by disconnecting the electrical connection by using a small flathead screwdriver and sliding the clip back up on the connection, as indicated by the red arrow. Then squeeze the clip and slide the connection off. There are 3 mounting adjusting points for the headlight assembly, red arrows. The top mount and adjuster is removed from below. Use an 8mm socket and remove the bolt and large washer, red arrow. Remove the 8mm side bolt and washer as indicated by the red arrow. This photo illustrates how the adjusters work. By turning the plastic adjuster, red arrow, you can raise and lower the angle of the beam, yellow arrows. Once this is set, you tighten down the 8mm bolt and washer. Remove the front 9mm bolt and washer as indicated by the red arrow. Now you can carefully remove the headlight unit from the vehicle. Place something soft under the unit on your work surface to prevent damaging the lens. This photo illustrates the access ports on the rear of the assembly. If you are changing bulbs with the assembly in the vehicle, this will help you figure out which port is for which bulb. Access port 1 is for the headlight, 2 the high beams, 3 the turn signal, 4 the standing or parking light, 5 the standing light. All of these ports are plastic and just twist off the assembly. Open the port for the headlight and remove the electrical connection from the bulb by pulling it straight off, red arrow. The bulb is held in the base by a wire clip as indicated by the yellow arrow. Move the end of the wire clip, red arrow, out from the receptacle, yellow arrow, and pivot the clip back. The bulb will only fit into the receptacle in one direction. It has a small cutout in the receptacle for the bulb, green arrow. This is important when you are trying to fit a bulb in the tight confines on the left assembly with it in the car. With the wire clip removed, you can replace the bulb. Remember to be sure to never touch the bulb with your bare fingers or hands. The oils in your skin can cause a hot spot on the bulb and greatly decrease the life of the bulb. Open the port to the high beam and pull the wiring connection off the bulb as indicated by the red arrow. The bulb will only fit into the receptacle in one direction. It has a small cutout in the receptacle for the bulb, yellow arrow. This is important when you are trying to fit a bulb in the tight confines on the left assembly with it in the car. The high beam bulb is held in place by 3 small spring clips, red arrows. Simply pull the bulb straight back and out. The spring clips are not very strong. Again, do not touch the bulb with your bare fingers or hands. The standing lights are located behind the top 2 plugs, red arrows. These just pull straight back out of the housings, and the bulbs just pull straight out of the receptacles as indicated by the red arrows. Again, remember never to touch the bulb with your bare skin or hands. The oils in your skin can cause hot spots on the bulb and greatly decrease the life of the bulb. Installation of the headlights assembly is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.